Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, you guys seen the title. I got a really crazy video for you. I'm going to be showing you how to mix Ice Spice vocals right now. All right, so I won't even over talking. I'll jump right into the track. Let's play back.
Keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that.
Alright, bet. So as you can hear, the song already sounds pretty tough, pretty well balanced. And if you're struggling to get your songs to sound like this from the start, check out my free course down below. It's going to change the game for you, teach you how to sit your vocals inside the beat and really get that professional balance that you need every single time. Alright, so let's dive into the mix of this track. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a VMR. We're going to start with some EQ on this vocal. So let's go ahead and grab the API EQ, and we're going to just start cutting out some frequencies that we don't really need.
Keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes.
Cool. So as you can hear, super subtle. We're just cutting out some broad frequencies that don't really suit the vocal, and we're getting it ready for compression. So let's go ahead and grab a compressor. I'm going to grab the Black 1176 because I like the way that this compressor preserves the low end. So it's going to give her a little bit more body, a little bit more dominance on the track. We want her to sit on top of the track. We want her vocals to really dominate everything that's happening. So let's dial in some compression. 3 to 5 dB of gain reduction, maybe 7 on the loudest parts.
Keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go.
And so something that I like to do when I'm working, especially in like the VMR where I can just see all the plugins side by side like this, is I will play with the order, or I'll take a plugin out and add it back in and see what it's really doing in relation to what the other plugins are doing and see how it's really affecting our vocal. So let's go there.
Keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick.
And basically what that EQ did before the compression was help the compressor work a little bit less hard. So we don't hear as much compression. We don't have to do as much gain reduction. And it just helps the song get to where we need it to be a little bit quicker with a little bit less processing. We don't want our vocal to sound over-processed. So I like where we are right now. We're actually going to end up grabbing another EQ because now we want to boost some things. So I'm going to grab the FGS, which is just the SSL style EQ. We're probably going to boost some high end, probably up around 16K. But let's listen and see.
Keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go, I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code, yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch, yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that.
Cool, so the S's are getting a little out of control. Let's go ahead and grab a de-esser so we can go ahead and get these vocals a little bit more controlled. Before I dial in the de-essing, I'm gonna turn down this high-end boost because I think the high-end is kind of where we want it to be, and then we'll bring a little bit back after we de-ess.
the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go. I'm the bitch.
I still think there's some high mid information EQ wise that we can dig out. So let's go ahead and get some of that going.
Keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that.
Cool, I like the way that sounds. We're gonna grab one more compressor, and I think this vocal is gonna be pretty much dialed in. Let's go ahead and grab the gray compressor from Sleep, which is basically an SSL compressor clone. And we're gonna do a 4:1 ratio and just dial in some quick compression.
Keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah.
Cool, man. And really, those couple of plugins are really going to get you dialed in and really get those vocals to sit and sound the way that you want them to sound time after time, man. It's really that simple. And if you notice, I didn't really add any high end. Really what I did was cut out a lot of high end, and the vocal still sounds bright, present, and clear. Look, man, once you balance your vocals correctly, you can mix the song so much easier. These are the tips that I'm giving you week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. My name is Vivi and I'm here for you. Stay humble and make diamonds only. Peace.
Keep the money go. I'm the bitch and never fold. Yeah, we sticking to the code. Yeah, my heart is getting cold. Never trust a bitch. Yeah, you know she finna switch. She don't carry no glick, but she wanna take a flick. Cashing out and I really wanna cop that. Hoes mad, so I really wanna pop that. Yeah, don't make me catch you like an all black. I'm that realest bitch, you can't top that.